As a new member in the Arkansas Public Employees Retirement System, you have partnered with APERS in working toward your retirement. This video discusses how that partnership will work over time. As soon as you are hired by an APERS covered employer, you automatically become part of the system and start taking your first steps on the road to retirement. For the next 5 years, you probably won't notice much change. During this time, you'll be contributing to the system and earning service credit towards your retirement. APERS will send you quarterly newsletters and an occasional special announcement, and each year you will also receive an annual member statement, usually in August. Once you complete 5 years of service, you'll arrive at an important point on your road to retirement. You will be vested. Vesting, or being vested in the system, means becoming eligible for a future retirement benefit. APERS covered employees hired after June 30th, 1997 are vested after earning 5 years of service credit. That doesn't mean you can retire after 5 years. There are some service and age requirements, but you are now eligible for a lifetime monthly annuity when you have met the service or age requirements. The size of that annuity will be determined in part by how much service credit you earn while in the system. From the point of being vested until you decide it's time to retire, you will continue making contributions and earning service credit. More than likely, your contact with APERS will be minimal except for the APERS newsletters and annual member statements you will continue to receive. Remember that if you change your address at any time, please let APERS know in writing, even if you have submitted a change of address with your employer. Once you start considering retirement, APERS encourages you not to wait until the last moment. In fact, we suggest you start preparing for your retirement a year in advance. As any financial planner will tell you, it's never too early to start planning for retirement.